Guys, I'm here with a different table now. Here, you are given the answers and the place value. Now you must fill in. What they normally do, they give you an example. So here is my example here. So automatically you can see how they get this answer is they divided this into there to get 1. That 1 you put it there, and then your units obvious it's 0. So that's how they get that. Now if we continue now, you're gonna divide 20 into that. You get 2. You get 2. 42 divided by 20. It's 2 remainder 2. Now what is happening now? You take your 2 dots, you put them there. Your remainder, which is units, is going to be in there. So that's how they come up with 42. Now we're going to do the next one, which is 105. We all know 20 into 105 is quickly 105. It's 5 here. 5 into there, you get remainder 5. So now we take our 5, that is our 5 what? 5 dots. But now we are not allowed to use 5 dots, so that's the line. So that line of yours, put it there. Remember, we got remainder 5. That 5 is gonna be your units. You put in there. You see, I've got 5 there, I've got 5 there. This is for a quick check. If you say 20 times 5, it's 100 plus 5. You get that. You see? So now I move on to the next section. The next section is as usual, but now you can see if you divide this into that, you are getting an awkward answer, but because of that, you move to the next level. That's where you get your 400. So 400 is going to divide in there. Obvious, 400 into 441, you get it's 1. 1 times that is 400. You subtract, you get 41. Now temporarily, you take that 1, you go put in there as a dot. But remember, we've got remainder 41. It's in that section now. That's where this one comes in. You divide 20 into that. You're going to get yourself 2. Remainder 1. You take that 2. You put them in here as a dot. Obvious. You can see I've got my remainder 1 unit. So 1 unit I'm going to put in there. This is, in a quick way, 400 times 1 is 400 plus 20 times 2, which is 40. So I've got 440 plus 1 unit. So you are busy filling the thing. So it's very easy to fill in or to get the answers. The way it depends how they give you the question. Now we're going to that one. Same procedure. You take your 400, you divide into there. You're going to get, it gets in there 1 time. So you're going to get a dot there. Which means you're going to have 448 subtract 400. You're going to get remainder 48. Now 400 cannot divide there. You move it down to the next level, which is you're going to get your 20. You take your 20 and divide in there. 20 into this, you're going to get 2. You get 2 times, always remainder 8. Now it's easy when it's like this now because you got your 2 dots there, which you go right straight under there. 2 dots, but we've got 8 units. Now how do you write our 8 units? It's 1 plus that. So now, let me quickly take this out. That's your 5 plus 3 dots. Now, if you quickly want to check, all you have to do is multiply that 400 times 1. It's 400 plus 20 times 2, which is 40. Now you got 440 plus the units you always add. It's going to give you 8. So that's how you come to your answer there. So we move on to the next one, which is 500. Right. You take that. You take that into that. So 400 into 500. It goes there 1 time, which is 1 dot. But remember, if you say now 508 subtract 400, you get only 8 units. You see there? You get only 8 units. Now, you get 8 units plus that. That is, you get 108. So automatically you consider the next value, which is 20. So your 20 into there. That means it's 20 divided in there. 20 in here is 5 times. Remainder 8. Now, your answer is simple now because now you know where to replace. 5 is gonna be in line with this one. So you're gonna get your 1 line. But you got another 5 with 3 dots. So you're gonna say 1, that, and that. Now you got your 8. So if you multiply that plus that, that is 400. And then if you say now plus 20 times 5, it's 100, which is going to be 500. 500 plus, you simply add the units there, which is going to be 8. So we move on to the last one, because this is simple and interesting at the same time. Here we've got 9, 5, 2. This is a 2. Right? So 400 into 900. Remember, it goes 400 there into 952. It goes there 2 times. 2 times 400, you get 800. Then you subtract. You get now 5, 2, and 1. So you quickly take that and you put in there. So you already have your more or less green light or where you're going. Now the next level, we take 20 as usual, because 400 cannot go in there. If you want, you can say that into there, you're gonna get a 0, which is not so good. So we take that, you divide in there, 20 into there, it's 5. So you're gonna get 20 in, let's put it properly, 20 divide into there. So your answer is gonna be 7, because 7 times that is 140. So now you got your 7 as the answer. That 7 is going to come there. 2 dots, it's 7. Now, quickly, we said 400 times 2 is 800. 20 times 8, 20 times 7 is 140. Now, you add that, you get 940. But our thing is 952. So 952, subtract that, you're going to get 2 and 1. That means 12 units. So you take your 12 units, you put them 5, 10, plus 2 dots. 5, 10, 11, 12. That is how it ends. So you got your answer. You can take from the dots and put your answer, or you can just give them the answers like this and convert them back to the Mayan system. So guys, it's just as simple as that. There's nothing more to it.